Welcome to my channel, Dr. Ujjwal Marjit. So tired of AI tools that cite papers that don't even exist? You are not alone. Most AI apps still generate fake references, which is risky, misleading, and damaging to real research. But what if there was a tool that actually pulled from real published papers and turned them into deep and visual insights? So that is why this tool comes into play. So I am going to share with you a new tool, and you can use it for free, and that you can think of it as your new AI powered research assistant designed by the researchers of Stanford University and built to integrate directly with the arXiv database. As you know, arXiv is a preprint server. So arXiv is more than just another AI app. So it's a gateway to open academic discussions and discovery. So you can chat with any paper, highlight sections, tag papers with @mentions from your library, and even convert dense PDFs into visual blogs for easier reading and sharing. So think of it as a complete research command center with AI features you can actually trust. Okay, so the name of the tool, or you can tell it the website, that is the Alphaxiv. So here is what Alphaxiv lets you do. You can upload and annotate any research paper in PDF format. You can chat with the content like you are talking to the author. Besides, it let you highlight key sections and keep your notes organized. Not only that, you can manage a research library, reference manager in one place. And you also mention other papers for deeper context, just like citing in real time. And the best part, it pulls only from verified arXiv publication, not made up content. And when you run a query, Alphaxiv generates evidence-based summaries, so your work stays grounded in real reproducible research. Okay. So first of all, we would like to access the tool and want to use AI to interact with real research papers and not hallucinated ones. So here is a quick step-by-step guide on how to use Alphaxiv, your AI-powered assistant for deep academic research. So you just open, you see the name Alphaxiv Explore, and go to alphaxiv.org and click on create account to sign up. As already I have created my account and I have already logged in here, and it is completely free. Once you are logged in, you will land on the Alphaxiv dashboard, and this is how your workspace will look. From the left bar, select assistant, okay, and type in your research questions or topic, and Alphaxiv will generate an AI based content that is fully from the real papers from the arXiv database. No fake citation, just verified content. So now I am going to type in application of blockchain. So just leave it. I am going to select what are the latest breakthrough in RL fine tuning for language models. Okay. Now click on deep research and click here. So it will take a few minutes to produce the results. So if you want to use the AI tools to interact with real research papers. You can talk to your research paper and not hallucinated ones. Okay, you can just, and Alphaxiv, it's a very new tool, and you see here the explore assistant, my library, messages, notifications, profile part. During the sign up time you have to provide some informations, and besides you can also provide the ORCID ID to the Alphaxiv tool. And so this is how your workflow will work now. And step 3, if you want to ask about a specific paper, so you just use the @ mentioned. You see already the deep research, because I have already mentioned the deep research. What is deep research in my previous video? If you want to know detail in deep research, you can watch that video. So you just see, it will take few more seconds to generate the relevant. You see that this is the relevant papers, okay, against the query. So now I am going to click on, you just type here @ mentions to reference a paper directly, or just type @ followed by the author's name or title of the paper you are looking for. Then type your questions. Alphaxiv will search that paper to answer you directly. Okay, so just I am click in here, you will be taken to this page, and you see here it will take few seconds to, this is the full paper here, you see the full paper here. And if you want to convert the papers to blog, as I already mentioned, so you click here, and this is the blog. If you want to transform this paper into blog, so get a clear and intuitive explanation of this paper's key ideas, methodologies, and contributions. So there is a quick comprehension, visual explanations, and structured insight. So you can generate the overview. So now I am going to explain about the research paper. You just see, this is the assistant, and you just ask anything or highlight text. You can ask, I want to know about what is RL, what is reinforcement learning. Okay, what is reinforcement learning? You just paste here, and now you see it is thinking, and it will generate the content for you about the reinforcement learning. So reading papers from here, and you see the results. Not only that, so looking to turn a dense paper into something easier to digest, so click papers here, and on the top, and search a topic or select a paper, and then click a blog. So now hit the generate overview, as I already seen. So if you want to make it, then click on the generate overview. So extracting figures and citations. So Alphaxiv will create a clear, readable blog style summary of that research paper, perfect for sharing or revising. And besides, you can also annotate your reading, and you have a specific questions about paper, you can click on ask also. So it will take few minutes. You see, overview takes roughly 1 to 2 minutes to generate. Okay, now there are options, my notes, comments, or similar, or you can also switch chat button, and you see the Gemini 2.5 Flash has already been selected here. You can just copy from this portion if you want to take the reinforcement learning definitions. Okay, So now I am going again, it will take time, so I am going to paper. Okay, right. Now you can select this part. Okay, just select here, you see, select page 1. Any part you can select or highlight here, and now you can leave a private note here. So suppose highlighted, okay, just write highlighted here and submit. So it's a private note, and not only that, you can also add the comment. Okay, authors will be notified. Leave a public questions. So what is RL? Okay, you can give this question here and submit. So what is an add a response if you want to, and you can also share it. So assistant in step 6, so have a specific questions about a paper, so click on Ask AI, means I have already clicked on the Ask AI to, and select model you would like to use and type your questions, and that is the it. With Alphaxiv you can manage papers, ask questions, summarize, annotate, and even generate blog content, all using real verified research sources. Okay, now see, click here, so blog have already been generated. Okay, this is the blog part of the paper. Okay, so there are two parts, paper and blog, and you can click on the assistant, you see learn. You can also change the model as per your need. That is a Grok 4 large language model here. This is a large language model, Claude 4, O4 mini. You can select any one in order to generate the content. Okay, so click the link in the description to watch me the full walkthrough, and don't forget to like, share for more AI powered tools to transform your academic research. Thank you for watching.